guys, welcome to my channel. So we are now in London and right now we're just gonna go and eat some food because we haven't ate today. Was thinking about going to a Korean barbecue place because meat and Korean stuff were locked in. Like ever since I started watching K-dramas, I want to eat Korean food. I want to eat everything. I'll show you my outfit, but I don't really know because it's not as hot outside. Wait, it's not as hot anymore compared to the first time I came, but I'll still just show you. And my body tomorrow. This is my outfit right now. Look, top, skirt. Now with some shoes, but I don't know, I might change this top to wear like an oversized top. We'll see. Outfit I ended up going for because it's getting a bit chilly outside, you guys can see, but still kind of warmish, I think. So yeah, and I just got some glasses. I'm gonna pair it with my bag. Let's get it going. In the Korean barbecue place, we're just waiting. Just waiting to order. That is hello. Go back from the food. Now I feel like my camera's a bit dirty, but now we're gonna go swimming, or I don't know. I might go swimming. I might just go see it, not quite sure, but yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the pool and the wall. So yeah, back from swimming. My hair is wet and my lace is still on though. I was supposed to wait 24 hours before I get the lace wet, but I didn't do that. But it's still on. It's just a little bit here, but we'll sort that out. But now I need to try and blow dry my whole hair. But the pool was cute and nice. Wanted to go to the jacuzzi, but the people in there were not budging. Like it was kind of packed. So just stayed in the pool. I'm 23. I feel like I'm gay. Oh. So this is one of my birthday dress options. It's this dress, but I don't think it even fits me because yeah.
I bring ibele on the table. Tunalone. Drizzle.
Okay guys, morning. I know the lighting is kind of horrible. I forgot to bring my ring light. But yeah, we're finna go eat. So I'm just gonna try and look cute for once. I feel so sick. I'm so hungry. It's literally like 1:30, I think, or 2. I'm starving. Okay guys, this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this top from Shein, same skirt I was wearing yesterday, and some cute little shoes, and also got my bag, glasses, because I look so weird with the eyelashes. Right, let's go. We're in Camden, looking for food. walking around. Come on, it's too hot. I'm so full. I'm gonna go home now. Go back to the hotel. I'm stuck. I just got back in and I'm so tired. My feet are killing me. I need to get ready. I think I'm just gonna stay with the same makeup because it's not too bad. I should retouch my eyes. But yeah, reservations at 9. Is it 9? No, it's at 8. I'll try and move it to 9 though. There's someone behind me. I was getting scared. But we're in Canary Wharf right now. We just came back out from the lounge and we're just walking around to find some nice places to take pictures because I need to update my Instagram. So that's what we're doing right now. Today's checkout, so already dressed, done. Just gonna go and explore the hotel and then we're just gonna leave. We're at the Victoria coast station. Oh, I didn't see that. But we are gonna take our coach back to Bermuda.